Are you a teacher or educator looking for a fun and engaging way to introduce your students to the world of careers? Look no further than the Career Center. I'm Andrea Pisani, a STEM educator and career and workforce expert. Young people today face an overwhelming set of post-high school options. Beginning a conversation that identifies some of these options is key, and the Career Center can be the tool to guide you. Our 13-episode program provides students with a glimpse into a variety of different career fields, from healthcare to engineering to the arts. Each episode is jam-packed with valuable information, including interviews with professionals in the field, hands-on activities, and lessons and information from me about the skills people need to thrive in the 21st century. To go along with each episode, we've developed an activity guide. These guides help educators, guardians, advisors, and students think and talk about careers while engaging with the career content from the Career Center. The guide begins with a KLWS, or clues chart, which serves as a pre, during, and post-viewing guide. To support facilitation of a discussion post-viewing, there's an episode fact sheet and resource sheet. They include a brief overview, example careers, career pathways and salaries, plus suggested extension activities and much more. These guides can be used in classrooms, small group settings, and individually. They can also be modified to help support career learning in whatever way works best for you. Career learning is important for any age group and any subject, but the Career Center provides the greatest interest to late middle school through high school students. Teachers, career and guidance counselors, guardians, librarians, and extracurricular leaders can all use the Career Center resources to help the young people in their lives explore their options. The Career Center also fits very well into discussions in CTE classes, STEM, academic enrichment, and vocational learning spaces. Whole episodes can be shown from the website, but you can also find each segment from the episode linked at the bottom of the page for each episode, making it easy to access and share specific segments. All of these resources are available on our website, michiganlearning.org/the Career Center. There, you can also find collections of our career exploration and pathways segments, as well as a collection of just our 21st century skills segments. To keep up to date about the future of work on the Michigan Learning Channel and learn about new resources, events, and more, sign up for our educator newsletter at michiganlearning.org/subscribe.
This teacher resource is supported by MEMIC Insurance Company and the MEMIC Foundation. Learn about monthly grant opportunities available to teachers at memicfoundation.org. With additional support from